The 1974 flowing hair Liberty Dollar stands as one of the most extraordinary coins in American history, representing not just currency, but a piece of the nation's soul. When the United States Congress authorized the establishment of a national mint in 1792, nobody could have predicted that the first silver dollars produced would eventually command prices exceeding $10 million at auction. The journey of these remarkable coins from humble beginnings to record-breaking sales is a story that continues to captivate collectors and investors alike in 2026. Designed by Robert Scott, the flowing hair Liberty Dollar features Lady Liberty with flowing locks on the obverse, surrounded by 15 stars representing the original states of the Union. On October 15, 1794, approximately 1,758 of these magnificent coins were struck on a screw press at the Philadelphia Mint. The reverse depicts a stylized eagle encircled by a wreath, with the inscription United States of America, completing this masterpiece of early American coinage. What makes this coin truly exceptional is that the die used to mint these pieces wore out quickly, meaning the earliest examples possess the most incredible detail and definition. The survival rate of the 1794 flowing hair dollar is remarkably low, with experts estimating that only 120 to 130 specimens exist in the world today. Among these surviving examples, one particular coin has achieved legendary status. The specimen that sold at auction in 2013 for an astonishing $10,016,875. This particular coin is considered to be one of the very first struck, evidenced by Liberty's curls showing incredible definition even at their highest relief above Liberty's ear, and the eagle's feathers displaying all the fine nuances of the die. Only one example possesses this level of detail, making it truly unique in numismatic history. The 1974 flowing hair dollar embarked on an unprecedented 8-city European tour, starting in Prague before moving to Warsaw, Tallinn, Helsinki, Stockholm, Oslo, Dublin, and finally London. This remarkable exhibition allowed coin enthusiasts across Europe to view this numismatic treasure free of charge, marking the first time the coin had ever visited the continent. The tour was organized by the Samler-Husik Group, demonstrating the universal appeal and historical significance of this extraordinary piece of American heritage. In terms of composition, the 1794 flowing hair dollar was struck in silver with a fineness of 0.900, weighing approximately 27 grams with a diameter of 39 to 40 millimeters. The production process faced significant challenges, as the coin presses proved too weak for the hardness of the alloy, and a substantial striking pressure caused rapid die wear. Of the original 1,758 coins released into circulation, a considerable number were damaged due to technological errors and improper refining, with some developing pitting from small air bubbles in the alloy. The mint mark presence on these coins is a subject of significant importance for collectors. While most 1794 flowing hair dollars were struck at the Philadelphia Mint without a mint mark, some examples show the D mint mark indicating Denver production. The presence and clarity of mint marks significantly impact the coin's value, with specimens featuring clearly visible mint marks commanding substantial premiums in today's market. A 1974 D Liberty Eisenhower coin, while from a later era, demonstrates how mint marks continue to influence collector interest and valuation. The numismatic market of 2026 has seen unprecedented interest in the flowing hair Liberty dollar, with prices reaching new heights as wealthy collectors compete for these rare specimens. The coin's historical significance as America's first dollar, combined with its exceptional rarity, has created a perfect storm of demand that shows no signs of abating. Unlike many other coins that fluctuate in value, the 1794 flowing hair dollar has consistently appreciated, making it one of the most reliable investments in the rare coin market. For collectors and investors in 2026, the 1794 flowing hair Liberty dollar represents the ultimate prize, a coin that combines historical significance, artistic beauty, and extraordinary rarity. The record-breaking auction price of $10,016,875 set in 2013 has since been surpassed, with recent private sales indicating values well beyond this historic figure. As only one example exists with the incredible detail of the finest known specimen. The coin that sold for $1,250 in 1974 has become one of the most valuable objects in the world, cementing its place in numismatic history for generations to come.